I'm Eric Higgs. I'm a professor in the School of Environmental Studies at the University of Victoria. My focus area is on ecological restoration, the practice of assisting the recovery of ecosystems that have been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. So this is informed by myriad different practices, different ways in which we've learned to help recover damaged ecosystems. So restoration is this great articulation between the past, the present, and the future, but all taken from this moment in the present. So we're using historical information as clues, as references for what we do in the present about what's coming in the future. A lot of my work with the Mountain Legacy Project, tracking change through photographs, has been about understanding that historical change more effectively. Canadians have had a lead in restoration work in the last 30 years. In mountain environments where I do a lot of work, we see change faster and we see it in a more impactful way. We have been able to incorporate restoration in a lot of key activities in national parks and protected areas and in a whole host of different kinds of related activities as well. I've had so many wonderful mentors, people I get to work with in the restoration community. They're just so wonderful to work with and have been so inspiring. I love being outside. Restoration has given me the occasion to do that through the field work I do and also in this long-term project I've been doing for 25 years with the Mountain Legacy Project. I was an environmental activist, maybe a quiet one, when I was a student. When I discovered the work of restoration, of being able to recover these remarkable places, it seemed like a fundamentally hopeful practice. That's what I love about restoration, is that even in the darkest moments, you still have the power of hope within the practice that we're doing.